For this video, I'd like to show you how to use your waterproof India ink for to do bleeds on watercolor paper. So I have a wide brush and some narrow brushes, and I have some water. Also like an empty jar to do like a mid-value wash in, and then of course your ink. So the first thing I want to do is, as you can see here, I've drawn a very light pencil line head oval, divided that in half horizontally and then also vertically. That is going to allow me to stay within the general human anatomy of the head. And next, I'm taking a clean wide brush and I'm just brushing water on top of the drawing. So that's just clean water, and then I'm going to take a wet brush, stick it in my ink, and then I'm going to begin to brush it into the watercolor. And it is a notoriously like beautiful, but also like kind of an unruly response. So we're getting bleeds here, and I want the shadow, I want the image to look like it's in darkness on the right hand side. So there's a shadow here, and that the light is coming from the left. So I think I'll be able to work with this. So it's a really quick process. So I would recommend setting up 2 or 3 sheets of paper, and then once you've painted them like this, just let them dry. And when they dry, you can draw into them with your ink on a fine brush or your pen and ink. So let's see what this one looks like when it dries.